Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to fix no water pressure in your hot water heater. Now there's only a couple things that will prevent the water from flowing through your water heater and reducing that water pressure. One of those is your shutoff valve. Your shutoff valve is designed so that way you can shut off the water and work on your water heater. A lot of times there's corrosion that is created because of the walls on the shutoff valve that actually slow down your water pressure. One thing you can do is actually move your water shutoff valve back and forth to break loose all that sediment and corrosion that's on the inside of the pipes. Another thing, you can kind of knock it a little bit, help vibrate that stuff loose. Something else you want to check is all of the main lines coming into your water heater. Make sure that there's no shutoff valves there that have been twisted a little bit or been shut off and just have a little bit of water flowing through there. You want to make sure that if you're using a ball valve, you're pointed straight, which allows the water to flow straight through. If you're sitting horizontal like this, that means the water is going to stop right there and not be able to flow through. You'll also want to check your pop-off. Make sure that this is not popped and water running through there, because that will take some of your water pressure and put it right down the drain rather than putting it out to your shower and your sink. This is very important that this is not leaking, because this will lose a lot of your water pressure. The reason it's very important to figure out why your water heater is losing its water pressure is because you don't want to have something going on with it that will cause damage, let's say a flood everywhere. You want to make sure that you find the reason and stop it. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.